Hey guys, how you doing? I'm with Stryker again, and I was going through my gear, just doing a quick checkup on all my stuff, and I found this old Altoids survival tin that I made. This has to have been, geez, 6 years ago now or something, if not more. Just found it. Actually, I don't even remember what's in this thing, to be honest, but I thought I'd crack it open to see. This is an AWP cell phone case holder, obviously for a smaller cell phone. Smartphone, all that stuff. Yeah, what's kind of cool is I didn't realize this, but if you pop this open here, you got yourself some sort of area for, you know, cards and some cash. That's kind of cool. Or you can put more survival stuff in there. All right, we got ourselves the Altoids tin. Pretty classic tin. I like cinnamon flavor more. That's just always my thing. All right, let's crack this open here. We've got a silica packet. I live in the Pacific Northwest. It's usually wet. Things can get kind of gross. So yeah, this is cool. It dries out stuff. I toss these in bags. I buy these in bulk. So we got one of those there. Microfiber cloth to clean stuff. Glasses. Also, you can start fires with this. This is kind of cool to always have. Got ourselves a classic Bic here. Oh, still lights. Look at that. We got a classic Swiss Army knife here. You've all seen these. I don't got to go into great detail. This is awesome to have. A lot of stuff on that one. This is a telescopic pen. I doubt it still writes. It's probably dead dry there. It's been a long time. Little hole there. You can carry this with a little lanyard. That's awesome. Got ourselves a pair of safety earplugs, you know, in case you're going shooting or you want to take a nap and you want to zone out and don't want to hear anything. That's kind of nice to have on you there. And we got ourselves a Mech Army mini keychain flashlight. Let's see if it still works. Wow, oh Lord, I can't believe it. It still has a charge. That's crazy. It's USB chargeable, as you can see here. Put the micro USB cable in there. Look at that. It just goes to show you how some of this gear goes a long way. And we got these tins here. You can get these on Amazon. Looks like the microfiber cloth kind of stained that one. Let's see here. We got oh, cool. Looks like we have a USB thumb drive in there. Always good to have. Keep documents on there in case you get lost. People can find out who you are. Or, you know, if you're at a friend's house and you got to trade files, you got this on you. This looks like I got an eyeglass kit in here as well. Paper clip and some replacement ink for the pen. I don't know if that's still usable or not, but we could just put that there. What's in this tin? Looks like we got ourselves a little plastic zip tie and a little tiny carabiner here you can put keys on. I mean, I probably would dress this up differently now. This was my first attempt. As you can see, I put some construction paper in there just to keep the tin safe. Pretty cool tip here is I glued magnets, little tiny magnets to everything. The bottom of the pen here, because once you put this all back, this keeps it from having your items slide around a lot. Just a tiny extra thing that you can put on there so things keep in place. Didn't do it to the flashlight because you don't need to. Yeah, you put this all back in here and boom, got yourselves a cool Altoids survival kit. Anyway, guys, just a quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel. Tell me what you got in your Altoids survival tin in the comments and have a good day.